Looking for the perfect hand mixer for your kitchen? In this video, we've picked the 5 best hand mixers on Amazon to help you find the right one for your baking needs. You'll find links to all the products in the description below. Let's get started with number 1. Number 1, we have the OVENTE 5-speed electric hand mixer. If you're looking for a lightweight and reliable hand mixer for everyday baking, the OVENTE 5-speed electric hand mixer is an excellent choice. Powered by a 150-watt motor, it provides enough mixing power for cake batter, cookie dough, whipped cream, mashed potatoes, and more. With 5 adjustable speed settings, you can easily choose the right speed for different recipes, giving you better control and smoother mixing results. The durable stainless steel beaters are designed to handle everyday mixing tasks while delivering consistent performance. Its compact and lightweight design makes it comfortable to hold, reducing hand fatigue during longer mixing sessions. The included storage case keeps the beaters organized and makes the mixer easy to store when not in use. Whether you're baking for your family or preparing quick homemade desserts, this hand mixer offers dependable performance, simple operation, and convenient storage. Combining power, versatility, and ease of use, it's a practical addition to any kitchen. Number 2, we have the Hamilton Beach Power Deluxe 6-speed electric hand mixer. If you want more power and versatility for your baking, the Hamilton Beach Power Deluxe 6-speed electric hand mixer is an excellent choice. Its powerful 250-watt motor easily mixes cake batter, cookie dough, whipped cream, mashed potatoes, and many other recipes with smooth, consistent results. With 6 speed settings and a convenient quick burst button, you can quickly switch between gentle mixing and extra power whenever you need it. The mixer also includes both traditional beaters and a whisk attachment, giving you more flexibility for a wide variety of baking and cooking tasks. Its lightweight, ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip, while the snap-on storage case keeps all the attachments neatly organized and easy to find. This helps save space and keeps everything together after every use. Whether you're an experienced baker or just getting started, this hand mixer delivers reliable performance, excellent control, and everyday convenience. Combining power, versatility, and practical storage, it's a fantastic addition to any kitchen. Number 3, we have the BLACK+DECKER MX610B hand mixer. If you're looking for a powerful hand mixer that can handle a wide variety of baking tasks, the BLACK+DECKER MX610B is an excellent choice. Powered by a 350-watt motor, it delivers strong and consistent mixing performance for everything from cake batter and cookie dough to whipped cream and bread dough. With 5 speed settings and a convenient turbo boost function, you can easily switch between gentle mixing and maximum power whenever your recipe requires it. The mixer also includes beaters, a whisk, and dough hooks, giving you the versatility to prepare many different recipes with just one appliance. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to use during longer mixing sessions. The included snap-on storage case keeps all the accessories neatly organized, so everything stays together and is always ready when you need it. Whether you're an experienced baker or just getting started, this hand mixer combines impressive power, versatility, and everyday convenience. With its durable design and reliable performance, it's a fantastic addition to any kitchen. Number 4, we have the Naitesen 600-watt hand mixer. If you're looking for a hand mixer that delivers both power and versatility, the Naitesen 600-watt hand mixer is an outstanding choice. Its powerful 600-watt motor makes it easy to mix cake batter, cookie dough, whipped cream, frosting, and many other recipes with smooth, consistent results. With 10 adjustable speed settings and a dedicated turbo function, you have complete control over every mixing task, from slow stirring to high-speed whipping. Whether you're preparing light mixtures or thicker doughs, this mixer provides the performance you need. The included beaters and dough hooks make it suitable for a wide variety of baking projects, while the convenient storage base keeps all the attachments organized and within easy reach. Its ergonomic handle offers a comfortable grip, making longer mixing sessions easier and more enjoyable. Whether you're baking for your family or experimenting with new recipes, this hand mixer combines impressive power, precise speed control, and everyday convenience. With its modern design and reliable performance, It's a fantastic addition to any kitchen. Number 5, we have the WILLOW Eco Series Electric Hand Mixer. If you're looking for a compact yet powerful hand mixer, the WILLOW Eco Series Electric Hand Mixer is a fantastic choice. Powered by a 350-watt motor, it delivers reliable performance for mixing cake batter, cookie dough, whipped cream, frosting, and many other everyday recipes with ease. Featuring 5 speed settings, you can easily adjust the mixing speed to match different ingredients, while the convenient eject button allows you to remove the attachments quickly and safely. The mixer comes with stainless steel beaters, whisks, and dough hooks, giving you everything you need for a wide variety of baking and cooking tasks. Its lightweight, ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to use even during longer mixing sessions. The included storage case keeps all the accessories organized and easy to store, helping keep your kitchen neat and clutter-free. Whether you're baking cakes, whipping cream, or preparing homemade bread dough, this hand mixer combines dependable power, versatile attachments, and user-friendly features. It's a practical and reliable appliance that makes everyday baking faster, easier, and more enjoyable. That wraps up our top 5 best hand mixers on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more top product recommendations. You'll find links to all the products in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.